Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to do comparison of adjective 1. Yesterday we had done comparison of adjective 1, right? In your grammar book, chapter number 22 is comparison of adjectives. Now see here, this picture. A is bigger than C. See, A is bigger than C, right? A is not as big as B. This is also true. A is not as big as B. B is bigger than all the other letters. Now see here, B is bigger than all other letters. This is also true. B is the biggest letter. B is the biggest letter. Ab bigger than, not as big as, bigger than, and the biggest. All these are comparison of adjectives, right? हम यही यूज़ करते हैं जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं दो या दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को, right? We may say that same thing in two other slightly different way. B is the biggest of all the letter and B is the biggest in the group. अब ये दोनों sentences का मतलब क्या है? सेम है, right? B is bigger than all other letters. B जो है बाकी सभी letters से बड़ा है. सेकेंड लाइन, B is the biggest in the group. पूरे ग्रुप में ये जो B है वो बिगेस्ट है. दोनों का मतलब सेम है, राइट? द फॉर्म बिगेस्ट इज द सुपरलेटिव. बिगेस्ट जो हमने लगाया है ये क्या है? सुपरलेटिव. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. बिग इज एडजेक्टिव, बिगर इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री and biggest is superlative degree. We use superlative to compare three or more things or people. जब हम तीन या तीन से ज़्यादा लोगों का कंपैरिजन करते हैं then we use superlative degree. Superlatives are often used with the, in, or the, of. They may also be used with just the. For example, Vimla is the cleverest of the girls. अब cleverest के आगे क्या आया? The. और cleverest के बाद में क्या आया? Of. ठीक है? This is the most expensive hotel in the city. अब most expensive is superlative degree. मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव से पहले हमने क्या यूज़ किया? द. जस्ट उन्होंने क्या बोला है? जस्ट द के साथ भी हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज़ करते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट इज विच साड़ी शैल आई बाय. दिस इज द बेस्ट. बेस्ट इज ऑल्सो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री एंड विद बेस्ट वी हैव यूज्ड द. ओके, so we use superlative degree with the and afterwards in, the, of, and with just the. Now let us see the comparative and superlative degrees. Strong, stronger, strongest. Second is comparative degree and third is superlative degree. Bright, brighter, brightest. Quick, quicker, quickest. Large, larger, largest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Brave, braver, bravest. Now these are the words where last letter we will write two times in comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, fat, fatter, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest, sad, sadder, saddest. Now see here, there is double T in fatter, double T in fattest, double T in hotter, double T in hottest, double D in sadder, and double D in saddest. When the adjective ends in consonant, consonant means A, E, I, O, U को छोड़ के बाकी सभी जो A to Z लेटर्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? कॉन्सोनेंट। कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ अगर Y आता है तो Y किस में चेंज हो जाता है? I में, और उसके साथ क्या आ जाता है? ER या EST, कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में। नाउ P इज कॉन्सोनेंट, P के साथ क्या है? Y, सो इट विल बिकम हैप्पियर, हैप्पीएस्ट, Y will become I. Funny, N is consonant, consonant के साथ क्या है? Y. Funny, funnier, funniest, Y will become I. And in second degree we will use IER. In superlative degree we will use IEST. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Now some adjective like useful, careful, famous, etc. and longer adjective take more in the comparative and most in the superlative degree. Now there are some long words. With these adjectives we use more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. Careful, more careful, most careful. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Important, more important, most important. There are few irregular comparative and superlative degrees. Now there are some adjectives which are irregular, which have irregular comparative and superlative degrees, and these adjectives are very important. Every year they come in exam. Okay, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, little, less, least. Now we have done so many adjectives, comparative and superlative degrees. You all have to learn all these adjectives, comparison of adjective. Okay. Now exercise number 1. You have to write comparative and superlative degrees in front of all these adjectives. Okay, long, longer, longest, wide, wider, widest, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Now here Y will become I. Fat, fatter, fattest. Now here in fatter and fattest double T we will use. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Easy, easier, easiest. Y will become I. Useful, more useful, most useful. Much, more, most. Good, better, best. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Bad, worse, worst. Famous, more famous, most famous. Okay, so our first exercise is complete now. In exercise number 2, they have said complete these questions about your class. Number 1 is an example. Who is the tallest? Okay, you have to use the superlative degree here. Okay, next adjective is short. So who is the shortest? Intelligent. Who is the most intelligent? Who is the oldest? Who is the youngest? Who is best at English? Who is best at maths? Who is best at maths means मैथ्स में कौन अच्छा है. हु इज़ बेस्ट एट इंग्लिश? इंग्लिश में कौन अच्छा है? इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट में कौन अच्छा है? गेस द आंसर टू द अबव क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2. राइट द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन you think is the tallest, shortest, etc. Then check your answer by finding out who really is the tallest, shortest, etc. Now here you have to give the answer according to your class. Okay, now here according to class wise they have given the answer. These are the answers of all these questions which we have done just now. Okay, so read these questions and then answer. Now see here they have answered Jannat is the tallest girl in the class. Jasmine is the shortest girl in the class. Dhruv is the most intelligent boy in the class. Okay, so this way you have to answer. Okay, with this our chapter number 22 comparison of adjective 2 is complete. Okay, I hope you all have understood how to use superlative degree. Now you all will open the grammar book and complete this exercise. Okay, and learn all these adjectives from the book. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.